sometimes we have this mentality, including myself, hindi kasi yan nagawa ng mama ko eh.
Yung kino-compare.
Yes, or I will end up like them. Malaki ba yung factor na ganun sa Filipino culture? Kasi I'm listening to a lot of American podcasts. So sabi doon, malaking factor daw yung ganun. Oh, my parents were alcoholics. So that's why I ended up like this. Ganun din ba tayo sa Filipino culture based on your experience?
The environment in any mental condition plays a role, no? When I diagnose patients with a certain condition, I look into the biological, psychological, and social component. So yung social component or the environment contributes to the mental health state of a person. So kung maganda yung environment, then it helps flourish. If hindi, it might boil down to certain mental health conditions. Nagpe-play talaga ng role yun, but it's how we adapt to it. Because you were giving an example na if alcoholic yung parent, ako hindi kasi I've seen the effects of it. Pero there are also others na nagiging intergenerational yung behavior. Let's say, may anger issues yung parent, nakukuha mo rin siya.